Hello everyone, welcome to the online session of Manu Law classes. My name is Brijesh, I'm the English faculty at Manu Law classes. In today's session, I'm going to discuss 10 words which have been taken from the Hindu newspaper. Make sure you make a note of all the words I have been explaining so far so that you have a ready-made workbook and vocab book and that will help you understand the passage as it has been written, right? So let's get started. The first word in the list is dissent. Assent का बिल्कुल उल्टा. Assent में सहमत हो जाना and dissent मतलब सहमति न देना, right? So to differ in opinion, disagreement, lack of agreement, different in of opinion, argument and dispute. Why would you choose to dissent something that is completely in your favor, right? So dissent मतलब accept ना करना, having a different opinion that is not in assent with the other, right? The next word in the list is relevance. So relevance is a very common word. Relevancy, pertinent, these are the words. So applicability, application, appositeness. अब देखो ये word आपके लिए important बन जाता है. क्यों? Because it sounds as opposite, right? So opposite जो word है, opposite is appropriate, right? So एक होता है opposite, बिल्कुल उल्टा. Here opposite, तो ये एक टाइप का होमोनिम है जिसमें कि वर्ड सिमिलर साउंड करते हैं. तो इस तरह के वर्ड जो है कॉमनली एग्जाम्स में देखा जाता है टू टेस्ट योर अवेयरनेस एंड नॉलेज ऑफ वर्ड. सो pertinence is pertinent, something relevant. Okay, so relevance is something जो कि काम का हो, मतलब का हो. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज क्रिटिक. सो क्रिटिक मतलब एक ऐसा व्यक्ति या कोई वर्क जिस पे आप रिव्यू देते हो, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव साइड को बताते हो. सो रिव्यू ऑफ अ वर्ड डिस्क्राइबिंग इट्स पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव एलिमेंट. सो दिस इज वेरी कॉमन वर्ड हियर that was in newspaper. Gestures, most of the students pronounce it wrong. It's a gesture. So gesture means आपकी जो hand movement होती है, that is also a gesture. And let's say you visited somebody and they have given you a warm welcome, a lot of hospitality, तो वहां पे आपको बहुत अच्छा फील होता है. So that is again their gesture towards you, right? So a movement of part of body, especially in head to express an idea or meaning, signaling and motion. So here in this context, gesture means the movement of the hand that we teachers do to explain things. Next word is audacity. देखो audacity कैन बी कंसिडर एज अ नेगेटिव वर्ड क्योंकि ये हमेशा उस सेंस में यूज होता है जहां पे आप साहस दिखाते हो. तो साहस दिखाना अच्छी बात है, तो उसके लिए बोल्डनेस वगैरह है, बट ऑडेसिटी मोस्टली नेगेटिव में जाता है क्योंकि a confident and daring quality that is often seen as shocking or rude, right? So audacity, you have that audacious to do this thing, so that is here in a negative sense. The pirates had the audacity to try and steal the presidential yacht. So यहाँ पे आप समझ सकते हो audacity मतलब साहस दिखाना, but in a bold way or a rude way, right? Next word is exemplify. अब देखो example माने क्या होता है, उदाहरण. पर अगर हम बात करते हैं Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ki, we have exemplified him as a ideal for student life. Most of the students get inspired by his life story, the way he put the hard work and made struggle in life, and उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा योगदान दिया हमारे देश को, तो वो हमारे लिए exemplify है, right? So epitomize भी बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि epitome means same. Illustrate or clarify by giving an example. So epitomize the same and symbolize be a typical example of. So exemplify मतलब किसी चीज या किसी व्यक्ति को example के रूप में देखना, that is exemplify. The decrease in lottery sales serves to exemplify the public's lack of interest in a gambling. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो in a newspaper context it meant कि आजकल लोग लॉटरी कम खरीद रहे हैं. ये एक एग्जाम्पल है कि लोगों का लॉटरी की तरफ जो है वो इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो रहा है. So that is exemplify here. The next word in the list is assent. Assent is अभी हमने dissent discuss किया था, so this is assent. So to agree to something especially after thoughtful consideration. तो किसी चीज पे सहमत हो जाना, especially सोचने के बाद, right? The next word in the list is accord. Accord is सहमति होना, right? So agreement, conformity. अब देखो ये word आपके लिए बहुत important बन जाता है because generally हम use नहीं करते. So conformity मतलब कि जैसा प्लान किया गया है बिल्कुल वैसा. The answer has to be given in conformity with the passage mentioned and context. तो conformity मतलब जैसा explain किया गया है उसके साथ match होना चाहिए, accord होना चाहिए, concord होना चाहिए, right? So this is conformity. All the singers were in accord with one another during the performance. So you understand कि अगर सारे singers एक accord में रहेंगे तो जो presentation है, जो performance है, वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन होगा, right? The next word in the list is fiesta. Fiesta is a festival, so very common word that you find in a newspaper. The next word in the list is fusion. Okay, so fusion means the joining or blending of two things into single name. So इसके लिए जो synonym है that will help you understand this word is amalgamation. So amalgamate का मतलब होता है किसी दो चीजों को मिला देना, ढेर सारी चीजों को मिला देना. So amalgamation is a mixture of something. So here fusion is also a joining or blending of two things into single unit. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the words discussed in this video. Make sure you make a note of these words so that you do not forget, and also share it with your friends so that they may be aware of the words discussed in this video. Also follow us on various social media platforms for a better reach, and also to stay updated with regards to CLAT, AILET and other law entrance examination. All the very best for your upcoming examination.